In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maximize your savings when shopping at Wayfair. If you're furnishing your home or just looking for that perfect piece to enhance your living space, then stick around because these tips are going to be incredibly helpful. To kick things off, consider opening a Wayfair credit card. Doing so comes with a fantastic perk. You get $40 off your first order of $250 or more. It's a great way to start saving right from your first purchase. But the benefits don't stop there. You'll earn 7% back in rewards on every purchase you make at Wayfair. This is particularly advantageous if you're planning on multiple purchases or bigger investments like furniture, as those points can add up quickly, offering you significant future savings. Next, think about signing up for Wayfair Communications. Opting into their email or text alerts is a savvy move for two key reasons. You'll receive access to exclusive offers that can land you a 10% discount on your first order. Plus, staying in the loop with their communications ensures you're one of the first to know about upcoming promotions and sales events, helping you nab the deals before they're gone. Another excellent opportunity is to join the Wayfair Professional Program. This is particularly beneficial for business owners or those looking to make larger purchases. By joining, you can unlock up to 15% off a wide range of products. Additionally, you'll enjoy an extra 10% off on Wayfair's specialty brands. These potential savings could be substantial, especially if you're furnishing a large space or several rooms. For those who love the convenience of shopping on the go, don't forget to shop via the Wayfair app. The app offers exclusive app-only deals, which can give you up to 20% off on select items. Moreover, you gain access to flash sales that can be incredibly time-sensitive, so having the app means you'll never miss out on these short-lived savings opportunities. Speaking of sales, always keep an eye out for Wayfair's seasonal sales. They offer flash deals frequently, such as discounts of $250 on items like a chic entryway storage bench. Additionally, their seasonal sales events like Spring Cyber Week provide incredible deals, with discounts reaching up to 80% on various home essentials. This is a perfect time to grab those items you've been eyeing at a fraction of the cost. While you may not find a $250 coupon code directly, by combining these strategies, you'll likely achieve significant savings on your Wayfair purchases. Remember, a little planning and strategy can go a long way in stretching your budget further. If you ever need help with finding specific deals or navigating Wayfair's website, feel free to reach out. Happy shopping!